So children, some just examples of atoms and molecules will discuss children. Some examples so that you have clarity children. So in atoms and molecules children, we have studied how to find the moles. What is the formula for finding moles? Weight by, it can be atomic weight or weight by molecular
Molecular.
weight. This is one. Next, we have studied number of atoms. If anyone asks you, weight by atomic weight
Atomic weight
into
into
Avogadro number.
Avogadro number.
If someone asks you number of molecules, weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number. Molecules means you have to take molecular weight. Atoms means you have to take atomic weight here. And weight of one atom, if anyone asks you weight of one atom, then we'll follow atomic weight by Avogadro number. If they ask weight of one molecule, then take molecular weight by Avogadro number. Basing on this, we'll do some questions, children. Okay, 5, 6 questions we'll do, children. Then we'll have clarity, children. Clear picture. First question. See, children, all of you. See here. 100 grams of hydrogen is there. Hydrogen. Hydrogen is there. 100 grams of hydrogen is there. Try to understand. I want find moles, number of atoms, number of molecules, weight of one atom, weight of one molecule. Everything I want. And before doing the sum only, I will say hydrogen atomic weight is 1, whereas molecular weight is 2. Why? Because we'll write H2.
H2.
2 into 1 is 2.
2 into 1.
Okay. Everything I want, children. First, atoms I will do, children. If I take atoms, then children, see here. First, let me find out moles. Moles means weight by atomic weight we can do. If you do weight by atomic weight, children, if you do weight by atomic weight, 100 by 1, 100 moles. If you do weight by molecular weight, it will be 50 moles. It will be 50 moles. Okay. No, sir, I want number of atoms. If you say number of atoms, suppose if you say number of atoms, weight, how much I give, children? 100. What is the atomic number of hydrogen, children?
1, sir.
1.
And it's atomic weight. This is atomic weight. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. This is Avogadro number. Avogadro number is
6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
So that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 and 100 is 10 to the power 31.
25.
So, sorry, 25. Next, number of molecules. If anyone asks you number of molecules. So weight is 100. What is molecular weight of hydrogen, children?
2.
Into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, children. So this is 3.011. So 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 and 2 is 25. Okay, if someone asks you weight of one atom, weight of one atom of hydrogen. What is atomic weight of hydrogen, children? Atomic weight of hydrogen?
1.
1 by
1, sir.
6.022
1 by
into
6.
10 to the power of 23. This will go up 10 to the power of minus 23 by 6.022 grams. This is a tough calculation only, but you have to do. Now, weight of one molecule, if anyone asks you, weight of one molecule. So 2 by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. This goes up 2 into 10 to the power of minus 23 by 6.022. Okay, children, this also you have to do calculation, but this you don't change. So like this we can do, children. For one question, so many sums are there. Okay, those who did not understand, one more sum I will say, children. Those who did not understand, one more sum I will say. See here, children. Okay, suppose I want 155 grams of phosphorus. Phosphorus. First only I will say phosphorus atomic mass is
31.
31, sir.
But molecular weight is
31.
124. You are able to understand, children?
Yes, sir.
You are able to understand, children, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Let me take 310 grams. 310 grams of phosphorus. 310 grams of phosphorus is there. Atomic weight of phosphorus is 31. Molecular weight is 31 into 4. You should know that phosphorus is a tetraatomic molecule. Phosphorus is a tetraatomic molecule. 4 atoms are there. Phosphorus is a tetraatomic molecule. Okay. Now Varsha will tell all answers. But answer Varsha, moles. Moles.
310 by
310 by 31 means 10 moles.
10.
No means 310 by molecular weight means
310 by 124.
31 into 4, 10 by 4, 2.5 moles. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Number of atoms?
310 by
310 by
31 into 4.
31 into, no, atomic weight we should take, atomic weight. Atoms means atomic weight.
Oh, yes, sir. By 6.00.
So how much it is? 6.10
022 into 10 to the power 24.
to 23 and 24. Next, number of molecules. Varsha, number of molecules.
310 by
310 by
31 into 4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 24.
10 by 4 means 2.5, no? 10 by 4 is 2.5.
Yes, sir.
2.5 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules are. This many molecules are. Now, weight of one atom.
We can leave off like that, sir.
No, you should not leave off. You should do in exam. In exam, you'll get one question only. You have to do. Here means I'm doing so many questions, I'm not able to do. So you should do it. Weight of one atom. Atom means atomic weight.
310.
30 atomic weight. Atomic weight of phosphorus is 31.
31 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
So you have to do 31 by 6.022. You should do into 10 to the power of minus 23 grams. Weight of one molecule. Weight of one molecule.
31
into 4.
By 6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
This will go on.
31 into 4 by 6.022 into minus 4. Yes, sir.
10 to the power of minus 23 grams. Like this way. Like this way. You understood now? If you practice for some sums, you will get it. That's all. Atoms means atomic weight. Molecules means molecular. Atoms means atomic weight. Molecules means molecular weight. You have to understand this. Okay. Srinid, are you there? Srinid.
Yes, sir.
Srinid, you tell 320 grams of sulfur is there. Sulfur. Sulfur atomic weight is 32, whereas molecular weight is 32 into 8.
Yes.
Because let's say you try. Sulfur has 8 atoms. Sulfur molecule has 8 atoms. Always remember.
Yes, sir.
Sure. First moles.
Mole. Weight 320 by
32.
10.
Moles. If you take atomic weight. If you take molecular weight.
Molecular weight 320 by 32 into 8.
10 by 8, 5 by 4, 1.25 moles. Okay, if you take molecular weight, this many moles. If you take atomic weight, this many. Okay. If they ask question number of atoms, what do you do?
1.
Number of atoms in sulfur. If they ask what do you do? Number
8.
of atoms. Weight is how much?
Weight 320. 320.
Atomic weight is how much?
32. 32 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 24.
24 atoms. Suppose if they ask number of molecules for the same question.
Weight 320 by 32 into 8 into 6.0.
Then 1.25 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir. We should multiply it 6.022 into 23, sir, in exam.
Yes. No. This you have to multiply. This 10 to the power of 23, you should do like that.
Okay, sir.
You have to multiply that into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of sulfur is present in 320 grams.
Okay, sir.
Weight of one atom, if they ask what you do. Weight of
sir,
one
it is
atom.
7.527, sir.
Oh, 7.5.
527.
So, near is saying 7.57, just write 7.5 to 10 to the power.
To 10 to the power. Okay, sir.
Weight of one atom is atomic weight you should do.
Okay.
Atomic weight of sulfur?
320, sorry. 32 by 6.022.
So 32 by 6.022 into 10 to the power of minus 23. Neeraj, 32 by 6.022, how much? Approximately
5.97. 5.97, sir, approx.
Okay, 5.97. Okay, so you understood? 5.97 into 10 to the power of
Into 10
minus
to the power of
23
minus
grams
23.
is weight of one atom of sulfur.
Okay, sir.
Suppose they ask weight of one molecule.
Sir, it is 5.31, sir, not 97. 31.
5.31, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell. Weight of one molecule means what you do? 32 into
32 into 8 by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23.
this goes up. If this
Yes,
goes up,
sir.
what happens?
32 into
This already we know how much 5.31
5.31
into 8 into 8 into 10 to the power of minus
10 to the
3.
power of 23. 23, 40.
41.4 into 10 to the power of
Into
minus
10 to the
23
power
grams.
of 20.
Actually, minus 23, no? Minus 23.
Yes, sir. Minus
Yes.
23 grams.
Is the weight of one molecule
One-
of sulfur.
One molecule.
One molecule of sulfur is that much. You are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
You should be very, very careful, children, with this. You should be very, very, very careful. If you are not perfect with this, children, you unnecessarily will face a lot of problems, children. Nothing is there. Only formulas you have to remember. Which is atom, which is molecule, you should know. But some things are questions come like this, children. 180 grams of water, if they say. 180 grams of water, if they say. Happy children, it's not atom only, it's molecular.
Molecule.
What is a molecule? What is a molecule? You have to find out all this only, children. Okay, moles. Okay, Saisha, tell me how many moles are there in 180 grams of water? Saisha is
Yes,
there.
sir.
Moles is
Weight by molecular weight. 180 by
molecular weight of water, you know,
2 into 2 plus 16, 18.
18. So how much moles?
10.
10 moles. You will take this or this, sir? Which formula you will take?
Number of molecules.
Number of molecules of water is how much?
Weight 180 by 18 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 10,
How much?
6.022 into 10 to the power 24.
24 molecules or atoms, sir?
Molecules.
Water is a molecule. Now, you want atom, weight of one atom or weight of one molecule?
Weight of one molecule.
Weight of one molecule of water is how much?
Molecular 180 by 10 to the
No, 180 molecular weight here. Molecular weight. Molecular weight of water is how much? Molecular weight of water 18 by
18 by 10, 6.022 into 10 to the 23 into 10.
this will be approximately 2.9. This goes up to instead of minus 23. One molecule of water weight is this much. One molecule of water. If molecules directly they are giving happy children. If atoms only they are giving only confusion you will get there in the case of hydrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. Hydrogen is 2, phosphorus is 4, sulfur is 8, oxygen is
2.
2, nitrogen is 2,
2.
nitrogen is 2, ozone
3.
3, ozone is 3. You should know, children. Some examples you should know. If atoms and molecules are giving, you will confuse children. Okay, suppose they say oxygen gas. You will take atoms or molecules?
Molecule.
Molecule. Gas means you should take molecule. Okay, children. If directly they give molecule, happy children, nothing, no problem only will be there, children. When atoms and molecules are combined, then only you will get problem, children. But nothing, children. If you remember these 5 formulas, very, very easy, children. Lesson is very, very easy. Nothing will be there in this lesson, children, apart from this. Nothing will be there in this lesson. If you know this numericals, you will be happy in 9th class, and even if you are intermediate first year, stoichiometry first lesson is there, entirely this only will be there, children, in stoichiometry. Okay, one more example. One more example. 85 grams of ammonia is there. 85 grams of ammonia. I want number of moles, I want number of molecules, or I want weight of one molecule. Who will tell?
Sir, can I say?
Vivek, you want to say?
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Who will tell, children? Who will tell?
Can I
Sir,
say?
Vivek.
Sure.
Vivek, wait, instead of you, I'll give to someone else. Vivek, you can tell.
Sir, me, sir. Neeraj.
Neeraj, you will also say that. Someone else I want to give.
Sure.
Shenmukh, yes, Shenmukh will.
Yes, sir.
Moles you tell.
Sir.
Moles is equals to
First you find molecular weight of ammonia. Nitrogen is
nitrogen is 2,
14.
sorry, 14. 14 plus 3 is equals to 17.
Okay. Moles means
Weight by molecular weight is equals to 85 by 17.
I am only doing everything, I am
Equals
not
to
telling you. Next, number of molecules.
Number of molecules is equals to weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number is equals to
Okay, tell.
85 by 17 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
23, this is Pfizer.
This is
5
5
to
are
the 10, 11, 130.11 into
10 to the power 23.
molecules of ammonia is present in it. Next, I
85.
want weight of one molecule.
Weight of one molecule is equals to molecular weight by Avogadro number is equals to 17 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 10 to the power 23 goes up is equals to 17 into 17 by 6 to the power 20 into 10 to the power minus 23.
Can anyone help me? 17 by 6.02.
2.822.
2.822 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams is weight of one molecule of ammonia. Like this one question will come. What is it? Children, they won't ask all this also. I am telling all. They may ask anything. Find number of molecules, find weight of one molecule, find moles, like that they'll ask. But I'm teaching everything so that you will understand. Okay. One more question. One more question. In 11 grams of carbon dioxide, I want you to find everything. Everything I want. Who will tell this? Snigdha is there. Snigdha?
Sir, can I say?
1 second. Yashasvi is there. Yashasvi? Srihita is there? Tanmay is there?
Yes, sir.
Tanmay, you tell. Carbon dioxide, first tell me molecular weight. How to find molecular weight of carbon dioxide? Carbon is
12, sir. 12
Five.
plus 16 into 2.
16 into 2.
how much?
40.
You should remember all molecular weights up to 20 children. If you don't remember molecular weights up to 20, if they don't give, you will have to suffer. Your wish. Up to 20 compulsory you should remember. Yeah, no, moles, how you remember?
Weight by molecular weight.
Keep saying, keep saying.
11 by 44. 1 by 4. 0.2.
Okay. Number of molecules.
Weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number.
How much is that?
11 by 44 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22.
This is how much? 0.25.
0.225
into
25 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23.
this. Can anyone help me? This both how much? Of carbon dioxide. Please press 1.5.
1.505.
1.505 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of carbon dioxide is present in 11 grams of carbon dioxide. Like that, like that issue. Okay, children. Now, weight of one molecule. Tamil. Formula.
Molecular weight by Avogadro number.
Okay. Molecular weight.
6.
8. Molecular weight of carbon dioxide.
44 by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23.
So this goes up here, children. Can anyone help me? 44 by 6.022.
7.30.
Huh?
7.30.
7.3 into 10 to the power of minus 23 grams is weight of one molecule. One molecule of carbon dioxide weight is this much. One molecule. Like this, you have to do, children. Once if you keep doing, children, 10, 20, 30, 40 sums, if you do, children, you will get clarity, children. What you are doing, what is happening, everything you will get clarity, children. Instead of just rolling down like that, you will get clarity about everything, children. You got it, children? Understood, everyone? Anyone have any doubts? Shall we do one more sum or is it enough, children?
Sir, we'll do one more, sir.
One more sum, okay. Who said one more needed, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then we'll ask Neeraj only, because very good word Neeraj. Neeraj, you tell Nana, one sum I will ask you. We'll select one molecule. We'll select one famous molecule like, okay, we'll select,
Acetate, huh?
what?
Acetate.
You know, acetate is an ion. Acetate is an ion, not a molecule.
Oh, yes, sir.
You
Sorry.
want acetate, huh? With acetate, you have CH3COOH, acetic acid. Tell me its weight. 12.
12,
Three ones
H3,
are three.
H-
12.
again 12 plus 16 plus 16 plus 1.
How much?
Around 60 grams, sir.
Not around 60 only. Yeah. Now I want in 300 grams of acetic acid, find number of moles, number of atoms, and all these things. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Weight
Moles
by
is what? Weight by?
molecular weight.
Weight is how much?
300 by 60.
How much?
Sir, 5.
Now number of molecules.
Weight by molecular weight into Avogadro's number.
Weight by molecular weight is how much? We got 5.
5 into 6.022. 30.11.
Okay, this many molecules are present. This many. Now
Sir,
weight of
30.11 only, sir.
30.1. Okay. Into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of acetic acid is present in 300 grams. Now weight
Yes, sir,
of
300.
one molecule of acetic acid. I got. What is the formula?
One molecule, molecular weight by Avogadro's number.
Molecular weight of acetic acid is how much? Sorry, 60.
60, sir. 60 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 20.
Approximately 9.
9.96, sir.
9.96 into 10 to the power of minus 23 grams is, tell me the statement, is
present in
weight of
is the weight of acetate in 300 grams.
Hey, you did not understand the sum. You did not understand the sum.
Statement only I'm not getting, sir.
Yeah, that only you should get it. Whoever understands statement how to write, they understood the sum. 9.96 into 10 to the power of minus 23 grams is weight of one molecule. See from the question, weight of one molecule of acetic acid.
Okay, sir.
30.11 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules are present. Molecules are present in
Molecules are present in 300 grams of acetate.
5 moles of acetic acid is present in 5 moles of acetic acid is present in
300 grams.
Like that, because 1 mole is 60 grams. 5 moles is 300 grams. 1 mole is 60 grams. 5 moles is 300 grams. Understood? If you know how to write statement, you
Yes, sir.
That's it, children. Those who know perfect statement, they are perfect. Okay, children.